Hi guys, it's Sanvi back again with another craft video. And today I'm going to show you how to make these glitter foam popsicles. They look tasty, don't they? Then let's get started. The materials you need for making this craft are a piece of paper, some scissors, a popsicle stick, a pencil, an eraser, and a glitter foam sheet. If you don't have glitter foam sheets, you can also use felt, and we will link down in Amazon if you want to buy them. First, you take your popsicle stick and put it like this. Then take your pencil and draw just along the popsicle stick. Then leave 4 fingers gap and then go to the next side. And do the same that you did to the previous one. Now, if you want, you can extend your lines. Now, at the top, draw a bit of a tilted U. Just like this. So this is like the popsicle stick shape. Now we need to cut this shape out. If you cut it out, you can also trim it and adjust it. So no pencil lines show. It should be like this when you're done. So now we are going to use this paper as a stencil instead of directly drawing on our glitter foam sheet. So that this is just for a stencil, you can also use newspaper, white paper, any waste paper that you have at home. So now flip over your glitter foam sheet so the white side is visible. Then place your stencil right there, like near the edge. Then take your pencil and trace it. Once you traced it, make another duplicate copy of it. Like this. Then cut out both of your markings. Cut them out neatly so they look similar to your stencil. Now put your foam sheets aside and grab your popsicle stick. So now we need to peel this off, but my glitter foam sheets have gum at the back, so all I have to do is peel them. If your sheets are not like that, you can also use glue. So we're just going to peel it and do the same to the other one. Careful, they might stick to your hands. Then grab your popsicle stick and place it on your glitter foam cutout, just like this. Then take the duplicate one and place it right on top, just like this. Ta-da! Our popsicle treat is ready. Now let's give it a taste test. Wow, it tastes just like grape. Oh, I'm just kidding. If you actually eat this, this is going to give you a tummy ache, so never do this. And if you have any little siblings, then you can always give it to them and they'll be really happy. My brother's 3 years old and he was really, really happy when I gave this to him and he really enjoyed it. Hi! I would actually like some popsicles. flavors. Which flavors do you have?
Blueberry, strawberry,
Tasty.
Grapes, and mango.
Tasty, but can I have blueberry?
Of course.
Thank you. Wow, it tastes very nice. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Keep playing and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any other fun videos. And bye guys.